A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is pride, true to self, beyond ego and arrogance. Ladies and gentlemen, pride is one of the most misunderstood qualities of human life. Too little of it weakens the spirit, while too much of it inflates into arrogance. Yet true pride is neither boastful nor brittle. It is the quiet dignity of being aligned with one's essence, independent of comparison or applause. Science affirms this duality. Neuroscience shows that healthy pride activates brain regions linked with resilience, motivation, and creativity. It fuels progress, sustains effort, and anchors confidence. But when pride becomes ego, the same circuits distort perception, leading to stress, conflict, and even illness. Psychology distinguishes between authentic pride rooted in effort, integrity, and growth, and hubristic pride, which thrives on domination and illusion. Science affirms this duality. Neuroscience shows that healthy pride activates brain regions linked with resilience, motivation, and creativity. It fuels progress, sustains effort, and anchors confidence. But when pride becomes ego, the same circuits distort perception, leading to stress, conflict, and even illness. Psychology distinguishes between authentic pride rooted in effort, integrity, and growth, and hubristic pride which thrives on domination and illusion. Ancient wisdom echoes this distinction. The Upanishads speak of the realization of Atman, the inner self, as the ground of true dignity. Unlike ego, which survives through comparison, the awakened self expands without diminishing others. Taoist thought likens greatness to water, humble, nourishing, and life-sustaining, yet never striving to dominate. The Stoics advised that pride should arise not from fortune's gifts, but from living in harmony with virtue. Across cultures and ages, the message is clear. Pride is authentic only when free from arrogance. In the modern world, peace is widely spoken of, yet rarely lived. This paradox arises because pride is often measured by external markers like status, wealth, or visibility. Such pride is fragile, for it depends on conditions that inevitably change. True pride, however, is inward, arising from presence, purpose, and alignment with what is eternal. What's the way forward? The path beyond ego and arrogance can rest on three interwoven foundations. First, self-alignment. Authentic pride emerges when life aligns with inner values rather than borrowed standards. Practices of mindfulness, reflection, or contemplation return awareness to the source within. Here, dignity does not seek validation. It is intrinsic. Second, contribution beyond comparison. Evolutionary science shows that cooperation more than competition ensured human survival. When pride arises from contribution, whether through knowledge, creativity, or compassion, it uplifts without separation. The measure shifts from am I above others to am I bringing forth the best that is within for the whole. Third, cosmic perspective. Modern astrophysics reveals a universe vast beyond comprehension, where Earth is but a speck in a boundless expanse. Yet within this immensity, consciousness has appeared, a miracle of awareness. Such realization humbles the ego, but elevates authentic pride, not in possessing the cosmos, but in being conscious participants in its unfolding mystery. True pride rests in this awareness of being. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita offers timeless guidance. Lord Krishna reminds Arjuna, be steadfast in yoga, abandoning attachment to success and failure. Evenness of mind is true yoga. This wisdom points to the essence. Act with conviction, yet remain free from the intoxication of outcomes. When pride is freed from ego, it becomes dignity. When freed from arrogance, it becomes grace. And when anchored in the truth of self, it becomes timeless strength, quiet, radiant, and unshakable like the eternal self from which it flows. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.